Alright guys, so right now we're going to be doing a headlight bulb replacement on a 19 F350 diesel. So let me get you started. First thing you want to do is going to be the cover. The cover has a lot of bulbs that they're plastic. One of those quick connects. In every hole of this cover there's going to be one. Okay, now obviously this sits right here. Okay, so you got holes everywhere. Okay, you're going to take those off and you're going to slide this off. Now after you do that, everything's fine there. After you do that, then you have your grill. Now the grill, so you can see right here, it has more bolts. Now on the back side here it has one, and it's supposed to have another one here, but that one's already broken. And we have quite a few holes on top. Okay, and the way this sits, it's like this. Okay, let me see if I can kind of set you guys there. Okay, so see all these holes here? You have to take those out, and then right here supposed to have that 10 clip, the 10mm bolt. See, it goes right there. Take that off. When you come down here, there's a little plastic that goes here. You take that plastic off and you have another bolt there and another bolt there. And this is the little cover that I'm telling you about. Kind of selects like that. You pry that off, take it off. Okay, and then you can remove your grill. Okay, it has little clips on the end, so you kind of grab from here. If I could do it real quick, and pull those orange clips to hold that together. Okay, and once you have that, what you want to do is the headlight itself. Okay, headlight itself sits like this in this position. It has a bolt there and a bolt here and a little secure tab there. Then basically has another bolt, so you can see this guy here, it goes underneath this rubber seal thing. Okay, so take the tool on top. To take that one out, you want to come over here to the front bumper. Okay, this is the cover that goes here. You're going to pull this cover off. It has just clips holding it. Okay, you pull that cover off. You're going to have 18mm bolts holding the bumper. The reason why you want to loosen them up is so you can push down on the bumper and get enough space in between here so you can get this bolt out from the side. That way it will release the headlight itself. Okay, and then obviously you already have your harness and everything, and this is the light bulb that we're going to be swapping out. We lost the low beam on it, so we're going to be swapping that out. So let me go ahead and put you guys probably on the stand. Remove this guy. Okay, swap this guy out and show you guys how to put it all back together. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so you have a new bolt, so now you don't want to touch the glass on it, of course. Obviously this one, so you want to press on it, push forward so it will release. So this is the old bulb. Again on the new one, You want to be careful with the, you don't want to touch the glass part. So we're going to go ahead and insert it first. And it's a spin on, so it's going to go my problem was that the old bulb left the seal ring on it, so I wasn't getting it. So this one's trash. Now what we want to do is connect your cable, okay, and we want to test it. Why? Just to make sure before we put everything back together. Okay. Alright, so the bulb is working. Now we got to put everything back together. So let's see here. So we secure that attach. And you got to insert the bottom first. Then this thing has an alignment point to the fender. So you want to line that up. And everything on top is lined up. Now, here's our plastic tabs for the top. We're just gonna kind of put them in place just to have everything secure. Then we have our sight one, which is a 13mm. Okay, that's gonna go on the side. Now we gotta open up here. I'm gonna have to insert it by hand. Okay. Okay, so that's in. Now we can go ahead and tie these guys up. Alrighty. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead kind of push on the bumper back so we can line up the brackets again. Again, it didn't really drop much. It's just a hair so we can get the clearance that we need. In place and secure. That's good. So now we can put a grill. We're gonna grill. I'm gonna go ahead and we gotta line up the pins. These pins we're gonna line up there and up here. Try to tap it in. and the lower pins, you want to make sure that they are in place. And we got our bolts. Alright. And the 210 that goes down here. Why they have taking this thing apart once. Okay. We go ahead and take our little plastics. Cover. In place. Remember, we had one leg that was already broken, so that one is trash. And we're gonna go ahead and connect the one that is on. So you don't want to overdo it, you're just gonna pin tie it, and there are turns. Alright. Then we have double check that everything is tight. Everything is in place. Put our cover on, and then we got all of this plastics.
These are the two shingles.
So
This will probably be Friday.
once we get all this plastic in there, it's all said and done. So like always, guys, help me help you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Share, like, subscribe. Later.